Good morning everyone and welcome to the channel. This is Genchmoto. In today's video we are going to Japfest 2026 with the most ugly ass Mazda on the market. So we're going to see some cool shots. Hopefully we're going to get some track time if we're lucky. If not, at least we can get some nice content. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Right guys, after about an hour and a half from Milton Keynes, we're already in. We've parked the car, slightly overheated, but it's no problem at all. And now we are going to the paddocks to see if we're gonna have some track time. If not, we're just gonna start enjoying some nice cars. Right guys, we have some track times. Here's David, the passenger ride.
Hello guys.
We've managed to get the track passes, 240. So in between now and then, we need to stuff our bellies first, get some food, afterwards look at some nice cars, then bring the mighty Mazda onto the track. So far it's going absolutely great. Seen some pretty cool cars. We haven't been on the track yet to see the drift cars, but welcome Japan.
I think that vibes, yeah.
Clean. Beautiful car, absolutely beautiful. And we've got some seats. And I think I've just lost Johnny and David. Bloody hell, it's hot here. Oh, hey Johnny. There's Johnny. There's David. We've managed to find him after an hour looking for him. Nice pictures here. So Johnny was basically asking me what JDM do I like the most. I personally prefer Honda. David here prefers
Supra.
Supra. What do you guys prefer? Let us know in the comments down below. There's a beautiful EP3 here. Johnny taking over the crowd as usual, asking for pictures. Pretty standard for him. Go on, tell him David.
Vinyl, vinyl, vinyl everywhere.
We hate vinyl. Only PPF or paint. Or as Johnny says, PPF.
Yes.
So this is what I'm talking about. So we're looking at this Liberty Walk 370Z and on first glance it looks amazing, but then you start looking at the finish as they decide to vinyl wrap it and it's just not there. You know, I'm not sure if you can guys see it on the camera, but the orange peel is absolutely terrible. For a big company such as Liberty Walk, you would expect better in a way, or at least paint it. That's what I'm talking about. On the other hand, we've got a R34 for only 50 grand, but at least it's painted and the finish. It's much better. Fuck, it's hot.
It's coming in my head, you know.
Big crowd here at Spoon and reasons unknown. Must be something free. Got chain suspension. I've lost Johnny again. Here's one for the VTEC boys.